so here is the 2016 R1 that we are going to be building. This is the new build series on the channel, if you would. Like you seen in the last video, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. We bought it, it was kind of clapped out, but it's got a lot of good parts on it. It's got K-Tech front and rear suspension, a lot of upgrades already done to it. As you can see, we have parts everywhere for this thing. So those are going to be in the later videos. This is going to be like kind of like a simple install, but basically I just want to get this thing back to where it's almost looking like a motorcycle before a lot of our other parts and body work and things still to come actually come in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw on a time lapse, and I'm going to install our brand new DB holders subframe and the 2020-2021 fairing stay, and get everything buttoned up and get this thing looking like a motorcycle. All right, so we got the subframe all installed, and what's awesome is it does reuse like the battery tray part that holds the battery and all these connectors. Our ECU is Moto America spec on this build, so it's already been relocated from the left side to underneath the seat with the loom. So we're gonna end up positioning that there. We wanna leave ourselves some space because we're gonna have a lot of stuff done on this bike. You know, everything from frame covers, auto blipper, just everything that you can imagine. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install the fairing stay for the 2020. And in the next video, we're gonna do, you know, different clip-ons. The actual turnbuckles are gonna stay, but in the next video, we're gonna swap out these clip-ons because that right one is a little bent, and we've got new brake stuff, things like that. So let's go ahead and jump on to the fairing stay. All right, quick install. Fairing stay back on, dash mounted back on, subframe done. As you can see, like I said, I'm sorry that this is kind of a quick video. I promise a lot of them are not gonna be like this. I do wanna give a huge shout out to Travis with over150mileanhour.com. He has definitely the best prices for anything DB holders. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description below where you can buy your subframe and your fairing stay. If you guys want to do the 2020 conversion on your 15 to 19 R1, or just buy any of their badass DB holders parts for any of the bikes that you guys have. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this kind of stuff, this is kind of like an intro to just how deep we're getting into this thing. But if you guys do like this stuff, definitely subscribe, hit the bell notification, and we'll see you on the next one.